RayNeo is known for making affordable AR glasses. The company is responsible for a massive surge in popularity for products like this. In fact, the glasses are so attainable, people are using them everywhere due to their versatility. The RayNeo AIR 4 Pro works on a phone, tablet, console or even PC, which got me wondering, will AR glasses become as common as a TV or monitor one day? Well, in today's video I'm going to answer that exact question. I want to see if the AIR 4 Pro is as good as people say they are for gaming, since they feature dual micro OLED displays, HDR10 at 1200 nits and a refresh rate of 120Hz, all while projecting a 200-inch display right in front of me. Opening up the box, inside you're greeted with a hard shell carrying case and the accessories box. For accessories, there's a light blocking shield which attaches to the glasses and stops the augmented reality effect. There's also a single USB Type-C cable, a prescription lens insert frame used by opticians to mount custom corrective prescription lenses, and last of all there's a cleaning cloth, alternative nose pad and a user manual. Checking out the glasses, they are extremely lightweight, coming in at only 76 grams. The electronics are placed in both stems, making them feel very balanced and comfortable for long sessions. The arms are engineered with an outward flexing hinge system for durability, and the matte coating prevents finger marks. The nose pads are silicone and feel very comfortable. I didn't notice any marks after using them for extended periods of time. The semi-translucent outer lenses won't win any fashion awards, but they conceal both micro OLED optical prisms from onlookers well enough. On the right arm there's a single USB Type-C port for connecting to a compatible device, although you will need a HDMI to glasses and charging adapter that's quite expensive, although you can buy several other third-party adapters that will still give you the 120Hz at a lower price. Okay, setting up was a simple process. I plugged in the included Type-C cable into the HDMI adapter, then I connected it all up to my RTX 5080. They instantly came on my computer running at 120Hz. There's buttons on the glasses to adjust the brightness and volume as well, and the included cover can be used to block out any light to remove any transparency. As far as setting up on the phone, I simply installed the RayNeo XR app and then followed the setup instructions. The app has cool features like 3D mode, plus movies and games look really good, and I much prefer gaming on mobile with these glasses rather than using just a standard screen, especially with a decent controller. As for gaming, I have been very impressed. I highly recommend trying them out for yourself if you can. Latency felt great due to the mini OLED displays running at 120Hz. I can't notice any ghosting or artifacts anywhere. In fact, I was feeling more immersed compared to my gaming monitor. They are such fun to use. Don't get me wrong, I still prefer using my gaming monitor, but based on my initial impressions, AR glasses have come a long way compared to when I first tried them. I did notice sometimes it's hard to see the edges of the screen. I probably need more time to adjust the glasses to fit my face better. Regardless, I'm still very impressed. Playing Cyberpunk 2077, I didn't take them off for about an hour. On Battlefield 6 I had no trouble playing well with mouse and keyboard as long as I kept my head completely still. Every game I played looked bright and vivid, there's no ghosting when panning around frantically in game. Unfortunately HDR10 only works at 60Hz. Once calibrated in the Windows settings at 1200 nits, the display's peak brightness delivered a great experience with HDR movies and games. For the world's first HDR display in a pair of AR glasses, RayNeo did a great job. As for audio, the AIR 4 Pro has integrated quad speakers that channel audio straight into my ear canals, removing the need for bulky headphones. Overall, they sound really good for the money. Jumping back to the gaming experience, they also work on PlayStation and Xbox at 120Hz. I don't have a PS5 yet, but with GTA 6 coming out, that's going to change very soon. But on PC, after testing the hardware requirements, it renders at 1080p, which I was amazed by as they look much higher in resolution. The glasses take a 1080p video signal and split it internally to show the exact same image on both the left and right eyes, so you don't need a super powerful GPU to run them at high frame rates. I'm amazed that they aren't more popular for PC gamers. Right, at the start of the video I asked myself, will augmented reality glasses become as common as a TV or monitor one day? My answer to that is, after testing the AIR 4 Pro, definitely. I see great potential. Not only do the dual micro OLED displays look great, but the latency is good enough to even play online FPS games, although I wouldn't recommend ditching the monitor just yet. You may find AR glasses a bit taxing on your eyes over time. That is still the biggest drawback to using them in my personal opinion. Regardless, they're still great fun and they will live alongside my OLED TV and gaming monitor rather than replace them. Plus, being able to connect them to my phone makes the Air 4 Pro extremely versatile. What's your opinion on AR glasses? Have you tried them? I would love to hear your opinions down below. I hope you've enjoyed today's video everyone. Goodbye.